Hello, and welcome to another English lesson. I'm Finn, and today we're going to learn 10 English words that make no sense. Some English words look impossible to pronounce. Some have silent letters. Others sound nothing like they are spelled. Don't worry. By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to say these confusing words correctly. Let's get started. Knife. Our first word is knife. The K is silent. We don't say knife. We simply say knife. For example, I need a knife. Your turn. How do we pronounce the word? Are you ready? Knife. The K is silent. Honest. Next is honest. The H is silent. We say honest. Example. She is an honest person. Your turn. Which letter is silent? The answer is A. The H is silent. Island. Now let's look at island. The S is silent. We say island. Example. We visited a beautiful island. Your turn. Which letter is silent? The answer is A. The S is silent. Wednesday. This word looks difficult. It is spelled Wednesday. But we say Wednesday. Example. My English class is on Wednesday. Your turn. How do we say this word? The answer is B. We pronounce it as Wednesday. Q. This word has 5 letters. But it sounds like just one letter. We say queue. Example. We waited in a queue. Your turn. How many letters are in Q? The answer is B. The word queue has 5 letters. Q. U. E. U. E. Debt. Next is debt. The B is silent. We say debt. Example. He paid his debt. Your turn. Which letter is silent? The answer is B. The B is silent. Debt. Once upon a time, in a far, far away land, lived a penguin, a frog, and a turtle. Doubt. Just like debt, the B is silent. We say doubt. Example. I don't doubt you. Your turn. Which letter is silent? The answer is A. The B is silent. Debt. Penguin was curious and loved adventures. Turtle was calm, wise, and never rushed. Frog was cheerful, energetic, and could leap higher than anyone in the land. Receipt. The P is silent. We say receipt. Example. Keep your receipt. Your turn. Which letter is silent? The answer is A. The P is silent. Receipt. Every day they explored forests, climbed hills, and splashed through sparkling rivers together. No matter what happened, they always helped one another. Salmon. This word surprises many learners. The L is silent. We say salmon. Example: I like salmon. Your turn. Which letter is silent? The answer is A. The L is silent. Salmon. One sunny morning, while walking through the woods, they found a mysterious golden map lying beneath an ancient tree. Kernel. This may be the strangest English word. It is spelled kernel, but we pronounce it kernel. Example: my grandfather was a colonel. Your turn. How do we pronounce kernel? Your turn. How do we pronounce the word? The answer is B. We pronounce it as kernel. Across the top, in shining letters, it read: follow the path of friendship, and you will discover the greatest treasure of all. Ending. Excellent work. Today you learned 10 English words that don't sound the way they are spelled. English can be confusing, but every new word you learn makes speaking and understanding English much easier. Which word surprised you the most? Write your answer in the comments below. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy English lessons. Until next time. The three friends looked at each other, smiled, and began the greatest adventure of their lives.